Camera on. Recording.
Hey everyone, Alyssa here from Sena with the new 10C Pro. This is a Bluetooth headset and camera all in one. Now with a 2K action camera and Wi-Fi. Right now, I could be talking with 3 other riders and recording the video and audio of our communication, or listening to my music or my GPS. The Wi-Fi will now allow me to connect with my phone. I can easily preview the video or download and share videos while I'm still out on the road. The 10C Pro as a 4-way Bluetooth intercom headset and a camera makes it really easy to never miss a shot. Whether you're using it for your safety as a dash cam, or you're traveling, come around the corner and see something amazing you'd love to capture. Ooh, there's Mount Rushmore right there. Or maybe you're just trying to capture your buddy's wipeout, or maybe your own.
Did you fall? Yeah.
Let's head back to the office and take a closer look at the 10C Pro. The 10C Pro can record at 1440p, 30 frames a second, or Full HD 1080p at up to 60 frames per second. It'll shoot photos while recording, and all of it at 135-degree field of view. Now with Wi-Fi connectivity, and as always, 4-way Bluetooth intercom and device connectivity from Sena. The 10C Pro can record with up to a 64-gig micro SD card. Format the SD card with the camera or using the built-in Wi-Fi and camera app. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you preview the angle of the camera and adjust the lens for the curvature of your helmet. With the app, configure camera settings or instantly download and share media from your phone. Install the 10C Pro as you would another Sena headset. Start by removing the cheek pads. Slide the clamp between the foam and the outside of the helmet or use the adhesive mount. Tighten the screws. Adhere speaker Velcro in the cutouts of your helmet. Place the Velcro for the microphone. Speaking of mics, select one of them. On the boom mic, install the windscreen. Connect your wires. Place the microphone on the Velcro you've installed. Place the speakers on their Velcro, running the speaker with the longer cord to the other side of the helmet. Hide the cables under the pads and snap the center liner back into place. Reinstall your cheek pads. Tuck the plastic into the helmet and run the chin strap through them. Slide the 10C Pro onto the clamp, then insert and lock the cable. Speaker placement is vital for good sound. Take some time making sure the speakers are placed directly over your ears, and use the Velcro spacers to push them closer. The user's guide and more information can be found online at Sena.com, and check out the rest of our YouTube channel for more tutorials.